Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers, welcome back. I hope your weekend was great. I hope it was safe. I hope you guys enjoyed all the content that I had on my YouTube channel. I want to thank you again for liking the video, for commenting, for subscribing, for sharing. We're at 26,000 plus subscribers. We are growing. We are doing it on our own thanks to the help of you. Thank you so much for liking. Like the video as I'm talking now because you're helping with the algorithm as usual. We've got an exciting day. Kobe comes home. We begin to start to work on the chassis while they work on the other pieces to paint. Got a few updates on Killer B, and I got 40 with me. Big congratulations to Trappy. He had his beautiful daughter Grace last night. Put some comments in there, put some prayer hands, whatever you can throw out. Congratulate Trappy, man. We've got a new little baby gunner in the gunner movement. But yeah, let's start this vlog, man. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Few updates on Killer B. So I'm gonna put a thermostat in here. That came out real nice. I painted it black, the thermostat housing. I put the pipe onto there. Installed the skunk header. It's an alpha header. What else did I do? Oh, I put the holographic sensor, the K-tuned one. So I'm basically just trying to do things to this motor to make it super easy for when you guys win it. But how do you guys like this header, man? Looks great. Good for the street, whoever wins it. Still waiting for that keyway. I actually ordered the wrong one. Yeah, check that view right there. But that header came out good. I'll give you a better view of this guy. Look at Killer B. So May 15th, we're going to begin the giveaway on this. You're going to buy a sticker and a t-shirt. It'll be a $60 bundle. You'll get a raffle ticket inside. And we've got 47 hours on the website. You can buy as many t-shirts as possible. Increase your chances, whatever it is that you got to do. But May 15th, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, keepgunning.com. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on this. We get new people on this channel every day, and we are going to give this motor away, man. I've got almost, I'm going to finish off with maybe 15,000+, and whoever wins it, I can email you the receipts. I can ship you the receipts. You'll have, you know, documents for everything. But Killer B's coming out good, man. I put a VTEC solenoid on it, waiting for a reservoir tank for the cylinder head from FCS. But this guy is ready to go. Me and 40 are about to begin our voyage over to Sasong Auto Body. We got to strap the car over to that dolly that we made, and then it'll be in here in a little bit. So let's head over to Sasong Auto Body. You hanging it?
No, he's working.
Oh, you working?
Body shop, in the body shop.
My man, all the boys is working on the part. Gente, sugar, yo. Kobe. Let me turn on this light for you guys. Woo! Let me turn on this light for you, my guys. Ooh, here it is. So we're gonna move this guy over to the garage. Start taping some stuff up for protection. Clean up some stuff, remove some tape. First thing I'm gonna do is just lay that carpet in there just so it can mold in nice and neat. Less chances of scratching anything. Just lay that in there. But we've got to strap it to the car dolly that we built and get it ready for the flatbed. But we're here. Boys prepping other parts here. And then Golda removing that rubber, that glue. This is all going to be nice and yellow. Yellow. Yeah, boy. Strap the car to the dolly. I might just end up moving this guy over right here and then put this guy over on that spot because I don't want to go in here and scratch anything right there. So once we strap it, we'll move the car out and get it ready for the tow truck. Dale! Cabrones! Look at that. Look how easy that was. get the car out. Probably need a little help. Yeah, you gotta go a little faster. Hey! Nice. Look at that. Alright. We got the car right here. Wait, get the tow truck ready and then get it over to the garage. Guys, these people are not busy right now. This is the best time to come get your car painted here, man. I'm telling you, reach out to them. I've left their link in my bios on previous videos. Zeus will be answering all your questions. We're here to help you, man. These guys need to stay employed. You guys got some projects. This place right here, this is a normal $11,000 to $12,000 job. They're doing it for less than half of that right now because of this pandemic. They need to keep the lights on. Take advantage of this while you can. We're gonna back the truck up into here. Oh, what happened? We're gonna back up the truck into here, load up the car, and get it over to the garage.
No, when you get it to your garage, you want it forward or backwards?
I want it forward. So you'll pull straight through the block, drop it down.
I'm saying you want it nosed into your garage?
Yeah, nosed in, yep.
Okay, then it's gotta go up on the truck backwards.
Yeah, exactly. And we got the hook right there. I'll strap it across.
Oh, right.
Good money. We had to bring the big guy out because the smaller bed is out on a tow. So, this is probably the lightest. This car is probably the lightest this tow truck has ever towed. Right now. These guys got every truck possible, man. Look at this. This car's gonna look so funny on here. Wepa! Wepa! This gotta be the lightest thing ever on here. Thing, like anything. This is...
One thing's for sure. It's yellow.
Yo, it's yellow. It's yellow, baby. Ooh, that's awfully close. That's awfully close. And that's that. That dolly's money. That dolly is money. That dolly is money, boys. Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
Right there, perfect.
Just straight to me. Perfect. Just so genius it might work. Yo, you saw him on the side?
Too much
Going
car.
home, Papa. We going home.
He not got too much car yellow. No, the Kobe.
The Kobe.
And Yonkers, Kobe.
Special delivery for Ghost Boy Aki.
Bring the car down like that. Pull it straight inside. Get it on the lift. I'll set up the tripod for you guys. And be on here soon.
Hold on, now, let me take the cable off.
Okay. You want me to push it up?
Push it back a little bit. Hold it right there. One, two, three.
Real quick before we come near towards the end of this vlog right here, I don't have much of the suspension stuff yet, so I really can't do much to the car. It's physically here. I'm just going to put the carpet inside that I freshly painted just so we have a little bit of protection for now. It's not going to go anywhere. We're not fully installing it, but I can't wait to see how clean that black with the yellow looks. So that's the only thing we're doing for today. It's just going to lay the carpet in and basically show you that the car is here. It's not even sanded and buffed and polished up, so we'll do that at the complete end. Probably the next vlog you'll see, I'll be picking up more parts. I'll be getting more parts. A lot of the powder coated stuff is done, so yeah, bear with me, man. Wow, that's nice. Wow. Very, very nice. Look at that. Wow. Wow.
That's nice?
That's beautiful, man.
Oh, yes.
That's beautiful. Let me give you guys a better view, man. Execution, man. Check that out. Come on, guys. Let me get some thumbs up now, right? Look at that perfect transition, man. We are building a monster, dude. Oh my God, it looks so nice. Look at that view right there. Yeah, man. It's coming together.
Trappy, check it out, Trappy.
Yeah, Trappy no here. I'm all wrapped up today, guys. I'm excited. I'm staring at Kobe. I got a little bit of surprise behind you right now. It looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. I'll show you. It'll be my thumbnail too. Yeah. We're here, man. Car's here. We're going to start working on it. Going to start applying all these cool parts on it. We should be getting a lot of stuff this week. I am just so happy that this car came out this flawless. I told you, man. Reach out to Sasong Auto Body, bro. You're not going to find a better body shop, man. So, man, let me show you guys this. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. How's that look? How's that look? Oh, my God. It looks so beautiful in there. Too bad we're going K24 for Kobe 24, but man, it looks so nice in here. It fits well, right? Too bad. You're going in there, buddy. K. Almost fell over. So damn excited. Yeah, as usual, man. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Keep gunning.